Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use MTN night data during the day. This fantastic trick lets you access your data bundle at any time, moving beyond its usual midnight to 5 o'clock morning window. It is perfect for those who purchase large, affordable night data packs, ensuring you get the most value from your internet investment. Let's unlock this convenient feature together. Before we begin, gather your essentials for a seamless experience. First, activate an MTN night data bundle, for example, a 250 megabyte bundle for about 50 naira. Next, download a trusted VPN app from your device's app store, choosing one known for its fast server speeds. Finally, confirm your device has a stable internet connection, which is crucial for the setup. Now, let's get your night data working for you. First, dial the USD code to purchase your preferred MTN night data bundle. For instance, dial *344*2# for a 1 gigabyte bundle. Once activated, open your VPN app, select a fast server, and tap Connect. Within seconds, your device should establish a secure connection, allowing you to use your night data during the day. To get the best out of your extended night data, consider these useful tips. Regularly check your data balance by dialing *131*4# to know when to top up. If you experience slow speeds, try switching to an alternative VPN server for better performance. Remember to disconnect your VPN when finished, ensuring your device's battery lasts longer throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.